Good morning, welcome to the Nifty prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. If you like my research, if you want to support my research, you can donate me using this Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm. Let's go to the Nifty, how it has closed on Thursday. Nifty ended up in the positive 14,894.90, 30.35 points in the positive, 0.20% in the positive. Opened around 14,979.00, which is well above the previous closing. And after that, it started to fall down and then it has recovered from the negative. And our data is also indicated that the bearish warning signal is also there at the same time. Four indications are in the positive. That is the reason it has opened in the gap up almost more than 100 points. High kept around 15,044.35 and low around 14,008, 14.45. Let's go to our prediction review. What our data and the market has given. If anyone saw my video or previous video, they would have understand that the warning signals are all there in the data, but the data four indications are in the positive. So which means the pre-opening is in the positive, means it will give a good results of positive side. That is the reason the pre-opening itself opened more than 100 points, which is a good sign. So that is the reason the market has went up a bit from that level around 15,044.35. After the high is matching with the data, it started to fall down due to the in our data the warning signal of bearish also there. That is the reason it has fallen down from that high almost to 30 points from the high. You can check the high is matching perfectly in our data in the stop loss 15,044.35, which is matching in our data in the resistance level 7, 15,041 plus 10 points is a stop loss. So 15,051.44 is the stop loss level, which is matching exactly. So it has started to fall down from that level after the matching, because we don't have further positive side target at this month, but previous month only we have pending 15,375. So that is only we are tracking. So it has started to fall down from that level almost to 30 points, which is due to the warning signal of bearish is there. That is the reason it has fall down and came down towards to 14,814.45. That is also matching in our data. $14,815.5. So it is also matching exactly in the perfect range of 3 points. So it is actually in the stop loss range once again, because the market has fallen down 1 point below that level. So it is still in the stop loss range of 10 points. So both sides has matched. So once again it has started to recover from this low around almost 50 points in the negative side, 50 60 points in the negative side. It has recovered from that low towards to positive side, because the four indications are in the positive. So as per that rule, it has to close minimum at least a point positive. Whenever the four indications are positive and the pre-opening also positive, means there is a certain rule, it has to close in the positive minimum at least 1 point. That is the reason it has recovered from that low, again closed in the positive of 30 points. So the chart is also telling the same thing. It has fall down but started to recover. Once again it tried to fall down, but no matter how it's tried to fall down, it is still recovered and closed in the positive due to that four indications are in the positive. Let's go to the prediction. Let's go to the group calls. What are the calls we given? we know that the data is clearly indicating positive, but the after the 4 indicating there is a signal warning signal for the bearish. So that is the one indicator which highlighted for us to go for the put option, and today it is a very good day for us to make some profit. At the same time, I specifically told that you must have to keep minimum 10 points. Even the 10 points range, whoever bought in the put option also 14,850, it has went from 10 to 78 high. So they would have also made profit yesterday if they would have saw my video, which because whenever the bearish warning signal comes, you need to bet for the bearish as well, and the four indicators are showing positive, so that is the reason you are betting the CE side 10, and the bearish warning signal you are betting one more 10 points. So that is the method we are following. It always works for us, and as per expectation the pre-opening also SGX Nifty shown around 7 o'clock 100 points, and the pre-opening also 100 points it has gone up. And one good news which we are tracking the our software, which is also giving the positive results each and every day. So it is in the testing mode at present, and after the pre-opening the market started to go up. Initially it was kept the low perfectly, so it started to move up, and then later it it kept the high matching perfectly, which we found at 9:32. Then we given a call around 9:33. We asked to buy 15,000 put option for 155 to 165 and hold minimum at least for the next day. And we also kept this call option 14,800, which we asked to kept around 200 points. Some people are given in between as well, but the 1 week tenure, whoever can take full risk those combinations, we still ask to hold. So that is the method. Some people have exited 52. That is a mistake we done, but still the high risk traders, they can hold for a week tenure. That is the method we are following in the combinations. You need to keep, no matter how much ups and downs, you need to keep at least minimum one particular lot combination till f and closing. So if they kept it, means this particular which we bought somewhere around 38, because this is the insurance we bought. This is the level 78 we bought. I'll show you that, which we bought on 22nd, so which it given a good result for us as well. And after that call given, one of our client also bought in a huge way somewhere around 161, and he is also booked a good huge profit, and we asked to keep insurance for that around 20 to 25 and holding for the next day, because our data is shown somewhere around negative side of minimum 260 points to go down, minimum of 1.75%. There is a chance of 80% side. So we asked to hold certain. So he booked a profit on that Thursday. There is an indicator that the market having the chances to fall down. Exactly, it has fall down at the CP or pivot level around 14,008 not 16, and then it has moved up a bit and then fall down in the flat range. So we wanted to take good profit as well, and we ended up with a good profit on this particular day. 2,69,000 67,000 he had made a profit, and it is a very good day for us. And the market has started to fall down, and it given even the 10 rupees, that is what I told, even the 10 rupees of 14,850, put option also went up 30, reached 40, and it has went 78 maximum today. I mean on this Thursday, and 257 points up, which we asked to buy 155 to 167. So it has given a huge profit on that particular call option. I mean that particular put option. And our software also given a good results around 10,000 of rupees profit. So it is still in the testing mode. And let's go to the prediction for Friday. Friday indications are showing 3 in the positive, so 75% positive, 25% negative. But we know that 80% of the time the Nifty tried to reach 1.75% on this particular day. These are all the support and resistance levels for the day. So minimum of bearish side, it has a chance to reach somewhere around 20, I mean 260 points in the downside. So 80% of the time it is hitting. So that is the reason we are holding the put option, and we have a downside target only up. Even the par will is also indicating that 14,628, which is 266 points, having the downside of positive range itself. Even the market is in the bullish side. So if it is goes down heavily, it might go down heavily towards to the negative range, which is around 800 points, minimum of 446. So even the par value, it shows 266 points are possible. If it is not breaking this particular 14,628, it might have the chances to recover as well. So as per our data, which clearly shows that anything open above this level, we need to keep stop loss range and go for a bullish. This is the extreme bullish stop loss. And normal bullish stop loss, you need to maintain somewhere around 8 points above that level, which is still extreme bullish is intact with the normal, because the extreme bullish is below the normal stop loss. So the extreme bearish, which is anything opens below this 14,808.51, then you need to keep stop loss in 14,852, which is the extreme bearish market. And the normal stop loss, which you need to maintain 14,940.65. And we have a pending target, which is last month we are tracking only, so we may not know whether to question it. But this month target, which positive target all got it, only we have a pending target 13,599.85. so we are tracking, and we have this particular target pending for 11th day. Almost 10 days gone over. Today is the 11th day. Today's we need to keep minimum 10 points in the put option, due to that 80% of the time the market reaches to go downside of 1.75%. So at least minimum you need to keep 10 points put option, and one put option we need to keep at least minimum 3 to 315 as well. And we don't have any positive side target, we have only downside target at this month. So that is the reason we are asking to keep minimum 10 points in the put option. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Friday. Thank you.